Alrighty, we're gonna try a little bit of downhill filming. Ooh. Plenty of downhill to go. Ooh. I'm probably not gonna be looking at the camera much. Ooh. This is a stupid thing to do. Ooh. But yeah, came down from the mountaintop. Pretty awesome. It was freezing, and it's getting nicer and nicer as I, as I go down. There's a fancier term for that. But don't make me think while I'm exercising. Whew. It is a whole different experience traversing this mountain during the day. I can actually see the paths I'm going on. Oh. My old lazy bone knees are not enjoying the downhill. Oh, and the bottom of my feet are still killing me. But I'll still take this over an uphill any day. It looks nothing like I imagined coming up. I just remember boulders and crazy rocks the whole way. Maybe we'll get to that later. But so far it's been pretty smooth. Oh, the rocks aren't as frozen solid as they were at the top. It makes supporting oneself a lot nicer. There's a lot of pebbly area earlier. My more energetic hiking partner slipped twice. More experience too. Luckily, I bought these La Sportivas specifically because they're good at downhills. And also the rock plate and other nice features. And I have hardly slipped once. Little baby ones here and there. We've passed a number of groups coming up. People who did not want to get up at 3:10 a.m. to try and catch the sunset. I can hardly blame them. Oh, since I'm the only one in my group who did. And it was really hard. But not as hard as I thought it would be. Pretty happy with my physical fitness, all things considered. I don't know how I did it. After years in the US. But I seem to still be in pretty decent shape. Show y'all what I'm working with here. Cool face. But the real question is, where are the baby sheep? I must see them. This is more what I remember. Lots of rocks. Whew. Oh man. So we got another group coming up. Whew. See if any of them want to be famous. I'll have to get the details later. I think we're descending like 1,030 meters, which is a lot of fucking meters. Here's a picture of the mountains and their elevations. I'll have to snag that before we leave the base camp. Oh, I hope we get to stay at the base camp for a while. A hot shower and a hot meal sound fantabulous. Good here. Oof. Oh. Oh.
That'd make it keep going, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Oh. Hey.
Got the shoulder, yeah.
Spicy trail. You've pretty much seen what the rest of it looks like. Maybe I'll start filming again once we're closer to base camp or something less typical. Peace.